One of the primary contributors to this condition is an unhealthy diet. Certain foods and beverages can elevate blood pressure by increasing sodium levels, contributing to weight gain, or affecting the cardiovascular system directly. Recognizing these dietary culprits is crucial for prevention and management of hypertension, as they are often hidden in everyday meals and snacks. Broad description of foods and drinks contributing to hypertension. Hypertension, commonly known as high blood pressure, is strongly linked to dietary choices. Foods and drinks high in sodium, unhealthy fats, sugar, and certain stimulants can exacerbate this condition. Below is a broad categorization with examples. Processed meats, e.g., bacon, ham, sausages. Canned soups and vegetables with added salt. Packaged snacks, e.g., chips, pretzels, salted nuts. Condiments, e.g., soy sauce, ketchup, salad dressings. Fast foods, e.g., burgers, pizza, fries. Two, foods high in saturated and trans fats. Excessive intake of unhealthy fats can lead to weight gain and arterial blockages, increasing blood pressure. Examples: fried foods, e.g., fried chicken, onion rings. Fatty cuts of red meat, e.g., ribeye, pork belly. Full-fat dairy products, e.g., butter, cheese, cream. Baked goods made with hydrogenated oils, e.g., cookies, pies, pastries. Three, sugary foods and drinks. High sugar intake contributes to obesity, a significant risk factor for hypertension, and can also impair blood vessel function. Examples: sugary beverages, e.g., sodas, sweetened iced teas, fruit punches. Desserts, e.g., cakes, candies, donuts. Breakfast cereals and granola bars with added sugars. Four, pickled, cured, and fermented foods. These often contain high levels of sodium used for preservation. Examples: pickles, sauerkraut, kimchi. Salted fish, cured meats, and jerky. Five, alcoholic beverages. Excessive alcohol can damage blood vessels and increase blood pressure. Examples: beer, wine, spirits, e.g., whiskey, vodka. 6. Caffeinated and energy drinks. Caffeine can cause temporary spikes in blood pressure, especially in sensitive individuals. Examples: coffee, energy drinks, black tea, some sodas. Seven, processed and packaged foods. Many processed foods are high in both sodium and unhealthy fats, making them a double risk. Examples: frozen meals, e.g., TV dinners, pizza. Instant noodles and rice mixes. Packaged dips and spreads. Eight, red and processed meats. These are often high in both sodium and saturated fats. Examples: salami, hot dogs, deli meats, and corned beef. Summary: foods and drinks that contribute to hypertension generally fall into categories high in sodium, unhealthy fats, sugar, or stimulants. High-sodium foods like processed meats, canned goods, and fast food can increase water retention and blood volume. Unhealthy fats, found in fried foods and fatty cuts of meat, promote arterial blockages. Sugary foods and drinks, such as sodas and desserts, contribute to obesity, a major hypertension risk factor. Alcohol and caffeinated beverages can elevate blood pressure by straining the cardiovascular system.